Philippines has got to be one of the best country ever in Southeast Asia. It was the close of China, Taiwan, Indonesia, and Malaysia. Here is the reason why I adore this country. 1. This country has a good weather. 2. The food is delicious. 3. This country has also allows travelers, even when it's a little crime in their cities, which makes Philippines is a safe country to visit.
Ang Pilipinas ay dapat na isa sa pinakamahusay na bansa kailanman sa Timog Silangang Asya. Ito ay ang pagsasara ng China, Taiwan, Indonesia, at Malaysia. Ito ang dahilan kung bakit ko hinahangaan ang bansang ito. 1. Maganda ang panahon ng bansang ito. 2. Masarap ang pagkain. 3. Pinayagan din ng bansang ito ang mga manlalakbay, kahit na may kaunting krimen sa kanilang mga lungsod, na ginagawang Pilipinas ay isang ligtas na bansang mapupuntahan.
4. What is the currency of Philippines is the Filipino peso. 5. The music from Philippines is amazing, even as the American or English music and even as Hispanic music and regional Mexican as well.
4. Kailan ang isang pera ng Pilipinas ay ang piso. 5. Ang musika mula sa Pilipinas ay kamangha-mangha, kahit na ang musikang Amerikano o Ingles at maging ang musikang Hispanic at grupera pati na rin.
6. This country who lives very much Gabriela W, KC Ramirez, Milha Family Channel, Vivian Barril, Zelg Tiger Girl, and the awesome video maker Teen Girl 2K15, Austin the Gacha Edward Blocks Fan 2K11, Jeff the Gacha Maker Guy 2K6, even though I hate him, Wayne Nathan the Cool Lighting Diagonal Guy, and many Filipino users. Keep in mind, I already having friendship from the Philippines.
6. Itong bansang nakatira Vermel Vlog, Beverly Z, Ella W, KC Ramirez, Malha Family Channel, Vivian Vero, Zel Tiger Girl, and the awesome video maker Teen Girl 2K15, Austin the Gotcha and Roblox Fan 2K11, Jeff the Gotcha Maker Guy 2K6, kahit galit ako sa kanya, Wayne Nathan the Cool Lighting Diagonal Guy, at maraming Pilipinong gumagamit, tandaan, nagkakaroon na ako ng pagkakaibigan mula sa Pilipinas.
7. When I already visit to traveling in Philippines, many people need to solidary social help about medicines, surgeries, and even more money during war. So coming soon, I have to do social help to every people. This is so sad for me, just like Guatemala, Tori and Kayla, and Monterrey Nuevo Leon as mentioned before.
7. Kapag bumisita na ako sa paglalakbay sa Pilipinas, maraming tao ang nangangailangan ng tulong panlipunan tungkol sa mga gamot, operasyon, at mas maraming pera sa panahon ng mahihirap, kaya malapit na, kailangan kong gumawa ng tulong panlipunan sa bawat tao. Ito ay napakalungkot para sa akin, tulad ng Guatemala, Tori and Coahuila, at Monterrey Nuevo Leon gaya ng nabanggit kanina.
And 8, not only that would like to say, they also having everything or users making vlogs about stories, social helps, and more. So this is the 8 reasons why I adore this country. I wish this country I'll visit there.
At 8, hindi lang yon ang gustong sabihin, nagkakaroon din sila ng bawat Pinoy users na gumagawa ng mga vlog tungkol sa mga kwento, tulong sa lipunan, at marami pa, kaya ito ang 8 dahilan kung bakit ako sumasamba sa bansang ito. Sana bumisita ko sa bansang ito.
Did you know to hate this country? Viraj Ottawa Canberra.
Alam mo ba kung sino ang galit sa bansang ito? Viraj Ottawa Canberra.
And facing and Landla yes Cardi B and Charlie Puth no. They made a ram video out of Philippines. What? They should getting caught in 4K for this.
At Wyson and Yandel yes Cardi B and Charlie Puth no. Gumawa sila ng rant video out of Pilipinas. Ano, dapat mahuli sila sa 4K para dito.
So Philippines rocks.
Kaya ba to ang Pilipinas?
And so does Spain. End of salute.
At gayon din ang Espanya, end of salute.